Hi guys, it's tax time and I did an experiment with this video. I submitted the same papers to TurboTax and I submitted the same papers to our CPA. And this video is all about who got us the most money back. If that's something that interests you, please stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ange over here at Frugal. Before I get into who got us back more money on our tax refund this year, was it TurboTax? Was it our CPA? Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. Do me a quick favor. That would be pretty awesome of you. And let's get to it. It's tax time, and that means that it's stressful. A lot of anxiety happening. I spent several hours getting all of our tax documentation ready to go. And I decided, since Phil and I use a CPA and we have used a CPA for the last like 4 or 5 years, I thought, and our CPA costs 150 bucks, I thought, let me just hop on TurboTax, get all of our information and see what TurboTax can do for us, right? So I get all that, I log in, I create a login, I create a profile, I answer a few questions, and TurboTax tells me that the $40 option is what works best for my husband and myself and our circumstances. So I thought, great, I'm an intelligent woman, I can figure this out, I have all the information right in front of me, I can just log in, whatever they ask, they'll guide me through it, great, fantastic. So after logging in everything, you know, them kind of guiding me through all the information that I needed and needed to input into TurboTax. Kind of nice because they do have the little, like, this is, by the way, this isn't an ad for them. This is literally just me telling you guys like what our experience was. But it was kind of nice because they do let you see like the refund as you're typing in information, like your refund going up, your refund going down. For us, it was going down, down, down. But in the beginning, it looked awesome. I was like, yes, we might be able to pay off my car. Finally, when it came time to pay, to log in our payment information to see if we were gonna actually file, we got a $200 state refund and a $521 federal refund. A total of $721 back, which a refund is always a good thing, right? Like, okay, maybe it's not like a good thing, but it's better than not paying. Like, at least it's a $721 refund and not a bill for $721. I call up Phil. This is a dramatization, of course. I call up Phil. Oh, hey babe, what should I do? TurboTax says we're getting back like $721. Should I just go ahead and file, pay the $40 or what? Actually, let's just put it in to our CPA and see if she's worth the money, and if she gets us back a lesser amount or more, then we'll, you know, figure it out. We'll know not to go to her next year. That was kind of how our conversation went. I called Phil at work and I told him, hey, you know, TurboTax says we're getting back $721 from federal and state combined. Should we just go ahead and pay the 40 bucks and get it done with? And he basically said, you know, we could, or we could give it to our CPA and see if she's able to get us back more money. And then if she can't, or it's around the same, then we'll know that she's kind of not worth it and we should just do TurboTax in the years to come. So I thought, hey, that's not a bad idea. We don't have to pay the money with TurboTax unless you actually file, so let's just do the CPA thing. So I already had everything gathered up, dropped it off at her office. It took about, normally she takes a while. Normally she takes like 3 or 4 weeks. But this, for some reason, she got our taxes done within a week. So she called and she said, your taxes are ready. Now she costs $150. Okay, so $150 cost versus the $40 cost for TurboTax. So already right there, that's like $110 more, right? But this is what she got us back. She got us back $461 back in federal, which it was $521 on TurboTax. And she got us back $365 in state, which it was $200 on TurboTax, with a total of $826. TurboTax got us back $721 and our CPA got us back $826. But okay, since we already had the money budgeted out, we know what she costs us $150 every year. I already had the money set aside. But if you take into consideration $150 versus $40, So let's just take out the TurboTax cost, right? So $721 minus the 40 would be $681 total, right? Right? $681. But, and then if you factor in the CPA, which she got us back $826, but it was a $150 cost, that leaves a total of $676. It's a $5 difference, leaning to TurboTax. Like TurboTax, technically, if you factor in the cost, would have gotten us back like $5 more. Because it was such a short difference, I do trust our CPA. She obviously does a great job. She obviously knows what she's doing, right? She's went to school for it. She's been doing it for years and years and years. There's so many people that go to her. I think we're going to continue to use the CPA for next year, but it is nice to know, like, it was actually pretty comparable. Again, not an ad for anything. This is just our own personal experience with our taxes this year, with something that I've never really compared before, and I thought it was really interesting, so I wanted to do a YouTube video about it. That was the grand experiment, CPA versus TurboTax. Our CPA got back more, but also costs more. Again, this is not an ad for anyone. This is not a personal endorsement. This is just our own personal experiences and should not be taken as professional financial advice by any means. Hello, we're in debt. Look at all my debt videos on my YouTube channel, okay? Okay. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, or also you want to comment if you use TurboTax, if you just pick up all the tax papers at your local library and do it yourself. If you use a CPA, let me know in the comments below. Heck, maybe we'll do it next year on our own. I don't know. Save all sorts of money. I don't know. Probably not, though. That seems exhausting. If you do taxes on your own every year, thumbs up to you, because that is freaking awesome. Right. Thanks again so much for watching. If you like this video, again, hit that like button, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.